Hey guys, welcome to Real Life Money, where we talk about topics that schools don't, and today we're going over the horrid credit card. But for this video, we're not going over regular credit cards. We're going over how to start building your credit with secured credit cards. Now overall, credit cards can hurt you very, very badly. Financially, mentally, physically, spiritually, all that stuff. It could really destroy you just because you're able to actually spend more than you even have. That's the problem. However, credit cards do have a purpose, and that is for building credit. So what credit is a number that ranges from 300 to 850, don't know why, but it tells banks or financial institutions how reliable or creditworthy you are. If you have a debt, do you pay it back? So one of the main reasons why people use credit cards is to build their credit, to hopefully push that number as high as they can, closer to that 850 number mark. That shows people that you're reliable, banks could trust you, and you could get better rates on loans because they know that you pay things off. Now, if you don't pay your credit cards, then that number drops. You get the worser rates because they can't trust you as much. If you have a debt, they're not sure that you can actually pay them back. So that's why people would like to go into credit cards to build their credit. However, if you are just starting out, you have no credit, if you're a young adult, or if you have crappy credit, you need to build that. So how do you do that? The answer to building your credit is getting a secured credit card. Now you can open up these at a bank. What you do is it's like a savings account. You use your own money and you put that away. I started with $250. Some people start at $500. They'll tell you how to go about it. So, since a normal credit card, you're basically using someone else's money and you have to pay them back. So, if they don't trust you, then they're not going to give you money. For a secured credit card, you use your own. So, in my case, I took $250 and put it in some account, whatever. So when you purchase from that, money gets taken away. So now you have to pay that back. Essentially, you're paying yourself back, but when you do that, in the process, it shows them you are able to actually pay money back that you owe. So while you pay yourself back, essentially, month after month after month, this builds your credit, you become more trustworthy, and maybe after a year, maybe longer if your credit's really shot, you could eventually close this account down and open up just a regular credit card because you're more trustworthy after doing this whole process. Now, the reason why people want a higher credit score is so you have more negotiating abilities for loans, like car loans, mortgages, personal loans. You could negotiate the rate that you get. So when you have a higher credit score, you're able to negotiate better. You could be like, hey, look at my credit score, give me a better rate. So that's essentially it. Some banks might charge an annual fee to set up these secured credit cards. In credit unions, in my case, I didn't have any fees involved. So you basically just build it up. My two main disclosures for any type of credit card would be: one, do not overspend. Don't spend what you don't have, especially with those cash back or rewards cards. They encourage you to spend more than you were even planning on doing in the first place. So really stay focused on that. And number two, do not pay only the minimum payment. Pay as much as possible. Pay the whole thing off right when you get the statement. Just because the interest just adds up and up and up, then before you know, you owe more than you even have. So guys, that's basically it. Now you know that you can use secured credit cards to help build your credit so you could get those better rates for those loans. Just remember to not overspend. So, thanks for watching. If this helped open your mind a bit, like and subscribe to my channel, Real Life Money. I talk about personal finance and development, which really relates to anyone. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.